Hi, Stephen from Winnipeg Public Library here, and I'm back once again to share another great song with you. And this one is called This Old Man. This Old Man is a counting song, so we're going to have a lot of fun counting while we're singing. Okay, so you're going to find the lyrics in the description below the video, and I encourage you all to sing along with me. This old man. This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my home with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Alrighty, so that's This Old Man. Thank you all for singing along with me today, and I hope you had fun singing and counting. Grown-ups, just a reminder that you can always discover more stories, rhymes, and fun activities on our website, winnipeg.ca/library. And until we meet again, remember to take the time to talk, sing, read, write, and play every day. Alrighty, see you soon.